Today we're going to put some battle scars on the SCX6. Let me show you what happened. That's pretty much the only line, isn't it? Oh, I'm sorry, man, it's going, man. There was nothing in that. What's your plan once you get up there?
I don't know. Sort of up through there.
How?
I don't know. And then probably down there.
Yeah.
You can go before I dig it up too much.
Okay. I'd like to know what the angle is, actually.
47.8.
Right.
If it was a 1/10, I'd let it go thump, thump, thump.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, there. Yeah, just stay up there for a sec while we... The lugs are absolutely chockers.
I don't think we're doing it.
No, I don't think so.
Right.
You want to help them up or just turn around?
Once we're up there, we can then backtrack through there.
Yeah, all right.
Right.
Hand of God.
Hand of God.
There's very little traction.
For man or beast.
I'm standing here, I'll help yours up too. Although, give me a sec to get past.
Yeah, I'm waiting to find somewhere safe.
Yeah, I'm going to get up past there. I said I'm going to get up past you. Blimey.
You'd want to be committed on a bike, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Oh, coming down wouldn't be too bad. There we go. Partly because it's new, I think. Oh, the whole front just fell around. I think it'll wait there if I'm good. All right. Crikey, it's so loose. Everything's loose.
No, we both
No, you're right. I'm not going anywhere.
No.
I'm keeping my angles good. Hey, that looks really legitimate too. Hey. Awesome. That's crazy. I can see the city from here too. So our usual track, I can see pieces of it in the distance. This really is up the guts of it. Because I think right now is the only sketchy bit. I've got to get over that log. Yeah, there we go. It's mostly rotten anyway. Come on, traction. There we go, there we go. Now I don't need to wait down here. I'm in for a bunch of bush pinstripes. There's a nasty spike poking out the side of this log and I don't want it to take scratches out. No, it's going to scratch. There we go. There we go. I think the answer is actually to use this as a ramp. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's what I should have done. There's another good photo here.
Oh, baby.
There's not much in it. Whoa. I wasn't even sure which way to turn. Actually, I should try it slow first. We already knew it wouldn't work. It's actually sketchier in slow. Oh, well, that's the first marks on it. Yeah. Oh. Well, she's been used now. No. It's actually keeping it fairly subdued before. Yeah, all right. Gee, only just had enough power in second. This is a wonderland of slippy challenge. It's all sketchy.
If you're on the inside, you wouldn't have seen that.
You would have seen something else on the inside. Ooh. Oh, I had the same problem. It feels like it should be drivable.
Yep, I think it's just the weight transfer.
Yeah, I agree. It's so sketchy. Oh, I've come down too far, so.
Yeah.
It'll be right. Probably. No, I'm too far away. It's already only got 3 wheels on the ground. Oh, it's going. I see my mistake now. I should have had the front right up high. Oh no, there we go. I do think this is drivable. Oh, that nearly became a YouTube video. Oh, you're going.
Just down.
This is great country. I just love how endlessly sketchy all this driving's been today.
How do you think that and how you turn around?
No, I can see that. You're really not leaving much available there for error. Now this was also my first test run of the Holmes Hobbies BLS HV2000. It's only 8.4 volts, but it's got some ridiculous rating of around 150 kilograms or something stupidly crazy like that. Hasn't missed a beat, although I did notice on the trail we're missing one of our bolts here, so I'm just glad we had alloy. Anyway, thanks for sharing the trails with me today, guys. Throw me a like and I'll catch you again on RC-TNT. Cheers.